everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I did a video on how I made this necklace. I found this seashell on the beach while I was out strolling up and down the coastline, and I found all kinds of shells. That was one, and here's another one. And so today I'm going to show you how to wrap this one and put it on a chain. So for this project, you're going to need some 20 gauge wire, of course your shell. This is a shell fragment. It's just a piece of a shell that broke off in the ocean water, or maybe somebody stepped on it. I don't know how it got broken, but I find these shell fragments quite interesting. And look at the colors on there. Isn't that pretty? And then I am using some Rolo chain that I got, and I've already pretty much put this necklace together. I actually have show how I did this with the video on how to make this necklace, and I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this one, so you can check out exactly how I made this chain. But I've got a lobster claw clasp on it. I'm just going to set that aside. We're going to wrap this. So to wrap this, like I said, I'm going to use 20 gauge wire. You need wire cutters, round nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. There's two ways that I could wrap this. You could wrap it where it looks like this, or it could hang like this. I think I like it better this way, and so in order to do that, it's going to be a little different than if you were to do it this way. You see the grooves there? I am actually going to use those as a guide. So the first thing that I want to do is to go ahead and make the bail. So I'm just going to take my round nose pliers, and I want the loop to be pretty big, so I'm going to go down to the bottom where the pliers are a little bit bigger, and just wrap. And I want a messy loop. Or a messy wrap. You can make this neat if you want, but mine's going to be messy. And then I'm going to tuck that wire in. All right. So now I'm going to take my shell, and I want the loop at the top here. This is going to be the top. And I'm going to use these grooves here just to guide my wire up and wrap it around. And then I'm going to go over here. Let's see, where do I want this? Groove right there. And I'm going to wrap it around. Then I'm going to go down the back. I'm going to come up the front in the middle, and I'm going to wrap it around several times here. And we're done with the wrap. And I just want to tuck this in. And like I said, you can make this neat if you want, but we are doing a messy wrap. Make sure that's tucked in really well. Now see, I still feel it. You don't want that poking out because it will scratch. And it does not feel good when it scratches. All right, so just want to twist these a little bit just to tighten everything up. And I think it's pretty much, we're done. It is a little loose. I don't know if you can see that middle kind of wiggling. You don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up here. Okay. Now they're tight. Okay, there's our pendant. Here's the back. All right. Now all we do is hang it on the chain. Whenever you close your jump rings, you want to make sure they are closed. You don't want them sliding off. And there we go. We have the necklaces all done. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. Of course, I like pink a lot. Isn't that pretty? By the way, which one do you like the best? Let's see. Do you like this one or the Seashell Fragment? I don't know which one I like the best. Maybe this one. I think I like this one only. I like them both, but this one the best because of the pink. And here's what it looks like on. Makes a really nice stacking piece. You know what? I listed this necklace and that other one, and they sold like that. So I need to go in there and make some more. So stay tuned. I'll probably do a video on that. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.